Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Regina and this is my world of DIY. If you are new here, karibu sana. Kama wewe ni member, thank you for always liking. If you have also not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Click the notification bell so that you may not miss any DIY that I do. So let's begin with the video. So if you want any kind of palette, you can get them from Kikomba. They sell in pieces or like the whole palette. So I got my pieces from Kikomba. I got them burned. Hapo bado wakanichomea at a cost, obvious. And the measurement for each piece is 16 inch. So that's what I did to glue them together. I'm using wood glue. If you want your wood glue to stick well, I find that if you apply both sides, ina stick vizuri. So that's what I'm doing. I'm working with 5 pieces, but if you want, you can work with more, maybe for more design. This is the design I was going for. But as I always say, you can do what you want. Like, it doesn't have to be copy and paste. Just get the idea and trying to be creative about it. But for this specifically, I just wanted it to be almost like exact with the inspo. So after that is done, I'm going to add a few pieces at the back just to hold them together as the glue dries. So I will leave them like for overnight because currently it's midnight. I will leave them for the night. Then tomorrow I will come in and continue. I'm sure by tomorrow the wood will have already dried. I find that when working with wood glue, it's good just to clean as you go because when it dries, it's really a very messy place to work with. So this is like a design that I'm doing for the shelf, and I will attach it and stain tomorrow. So I'm just going to stain the wood today and also paint the clock because I have to wait for the stain to dry in between before I paint the clock and also the second coat of the stain. So this is the darkest stain that was available at the hardware store that I normally buy stuff. So I went with this one. I may need to do a second and a third coat, so yeah, just to get the color that I want. If you have watched up to this far and you have not yet subscribed, kindly do so down below. Like this video, comment, share, any kind of support. I will really appreciate. My goal for the next 6 months is to just reach 1,000 subscriber. I'm really working hard on that, so I would really love your support. I'm just going to mark where I want the numbers to be. I had already drawn, as you have seen. The good thing about doing this fast is that if I make a mistake, I can just paint over or just rub it with the stain and repeat the same. When I was starting this project, I had convinced myself that I can draw the numbers by hand, but that was a joke, and it did not happen. So I decided to go with these numbers. Zile za watoto, yeah. So I just paint over the number and stick it to the board, and I get the number that I want. Simple, easy, and fast. Yeah. I also went in with the brush and some paint just to make the number more visible and bold. I left the paint now to dry for some few hours then before I go in and do some final touches. For the final touches, this is I'm going to mark where I'm going to drill some holes for the hooks to go in. I'm going to do 3 hanging hooks for this one. The thing that I find challenging working with clocks, especially with wood, is that you have to trim the wood at the back for the clock movement to fit in. This is always a challenge because some kind I don't have the tools to do that, so it normally takes me longer, and I hate this part. But this is what I mean when I say you have to trim at the back for it to fit in. That thing that you put the clocks ni kanakwanga kadogo, so you have to be exact. And finally, we have a wall clock. I really love it. I love the color. I don't know why I'm always drawn to the wood tones. I love them. The fact that it did not lose the natural wood tone, I love it. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.